So now let's see how to get file informations from selected files. So in this case we are using on Commander Pro file manager that you can download here. So let's go part 8 of the tutorial, which is to show file info. So here I will select, let's follow the tutorial and select these 3 files in this case. So let's go to the menu file, then you have info and show file stat and checksum. So in this case we want the MD5, but we can also use SHA. Let's see, size formatted, yes, it's selected. Size percentage, we don't need to. Date epoch, time ago, and file name length, for example. Click OK, and now we have the different information. So with the file name, the size, MD5, the epoch, time ago that it was generated, created, or last modified, and then the length of the file name. So you can select, use Ctrl C, and it will copy the information in the clipboard. So now if I close it and I click on F9 and then show clipboard, you'll see that I have this information here. So you can see, well, here I've just selected a few, but I could have selected way more, like ISO date, size percentage. So it will compare the size percentage with the other files, and SSH3 or 1, and so on, attribute. And if it was like Git files, you can even have some Git info in the table. So thanks for watching. Well, you can download it here if you want to have more info on your files. And if you like this video, just put a thumb up and share it. Bye.